Ma'am, I am so sorry. This is a PSA to always wear your seatbelt.
Where is your seatbelt? Stay! Is that what it was?
That's why you should keep your eye on the road and
Let's
don't
tape
look.
that.
That is a big stick.
Go to church.
That is way too close, bro.
Jesus Christ!
And maybe ease up a bit, okay?
Relax, I'm a professional.
Ladder in the lane!
And we're clear.
Careful with the pedestrian! You nearly clipped him!
But I didn't.
I'm seriously holding on for dear life right
Yet
now.
we're still alive. That's the magic.